guys, welcome back to the channel. XOXO Sheepa here. Today is wig sale day. Everything gotta go. I have units from pretty much the whole summer, like from May to now, that gotta go. I'm overflowing with wigs. I have a couple human hair units in the sale, and I also have, you already know, a ton of synthetic units in the sale. This is a US only sale, and all orders placed over this weekend will go out on Monday. I have a lot of Bobby Laws, I have a lot of Sensational, I have some Janet collection, and I have some I feel like I'm missing something, but I have a lot in there that were really popular over the summer. So feel free to check out the sale and snag some up. I believe I have about 19 or 20 units on there. The wig sale link will be in the description box below, as well as the main details on the wig sale. But yeah, that's it. So happy shopping. Take these wigs off my hands, please.